After personally encountering the frustrating corrupt game files error when transferring game data and testing countless solutions, I finally discovered effective strategies to overcome this problem, and I am excited to share them with you now. This video will show you how to fix corrupt game files error when transferring game data. First, verifying game files integrity is crucial because it acts like a digital health check for your game. It scans every single game file, compares it to what it should be, and automatically repairs any damaged or missing parts that might cause transfer issues. Next, clearing the download cache often resolves problems. Think of the cache as a temporary storage area for downloaded bits of games. If this storage gets messy or full, it can stop new data from transferring correctly, so a fresh start helps immensely. Temporarily disabling your antivirus is another important step. Sometimes security software can be a bit too cautious, mistaking perfectly normal game files or transfer actions as a threat and blocking them. Turning it off for a moment lets you see if it was the obstacle. Finally, running your game launcher as an administrator gives it the necessary power. Games often need special access to parts of your computer to install or move files. Without this higher permission, the system might block critical actions, leading to errors and failed transfers. Each of these methods targets a different common cause of these frustrating file issues.